Okay. Now this is what Sunday is all about.
This is what
Barca.
Sunday is good. This is a good Sunday.
this is
This
this
is
is this is how Sunday is
this is
supposed to
an
be.
amazing Sunday so far. So far, it is
So
not
far,
London heaven
everything,
here
no,
right
no,
now. But
everything is good.
that's all I'll say on that right now. Okay, we'll get to it later. But the big story of right now is Barcelona 3, Levante 0. Smashing performance from Barcelona.
Especially our own finally number 10, Ansu Fati scored. He came back after I think 322 days, and he has मतलब impact था ही आते से impact था. He scored a goal. Perfect. I think that is the best finish ever for a game till now. All this the team played really well. Starting में बहुत अच्छा खेला. Everything was good. Again, lots of improvement to be talked upon that we could do later. But right now, I think team is looking good. Ansu Fati is back, so I think probably that वो attacking power वापस आ गई है बहुत अच्छे से. We don't have to rely on external. I'm not against Luke De Jong या किसी के साथ, but Defy and Fati can do really good. नई tactics दिखी गेम में आज. Initial 10-15 minutes were too good. They were finding the ball. Everyone was good. Coutinho be not his very best what we know from his Liverpool time, but still he is trying, and probably I think वो करता रहे. So there can be a chance we could be a force again. But great result for today. And some most important, I think, apart from that, we have a clean sheet.
Amazing.
I feel for
Yes.
Ter Stegen. He deserve everything.
Yes,
That's a
definitely.
clean sheet. That is also one very great thing.
Yes, overall a good performance by
Yep.
Barcelona, but although it must be said, मेरे हिसाब से कि Levante was nowhere to be seen in
हाँ
this match.
हाँ
मतलब
मतलब
tactically भी देख लें, I think मतलब कोई प्रेस नहीं, पहले तो कोई प्रेस नहीं, फिर जब वो खड़े हो डिफेंस में तुम 4-5-1 के या 4-4-2 का ब्लॉक पे तुम खड़े हो बस. And it was very easy for people to move around you. ठीक है, in behind runs करना बहुत आसान था. Wide areas में कोई cover नहीं था, तो wide areas में easily Barcelona overloads कर सकती थी, और crosses आए जा रहे हैं, like they were not even attempting to stop crosses. और मतलब ठीक है, बार्सिलोना को क्रेडिट देना चाहिए where it's due.
हाँ नहीं
Obviously we
आई
cannot say.
कंप्लीटली एग्री विथ यू. सी जैसे सेकंड हाफ आया तो उन्होंने वो टैक्टिक्स चेंज करी. एंड नाउ मतलब फॉर मी आई थिंक अगर एट फुल पावर पोटेंशियल पे होती बार्सिलोना शुड हैव स्कोर्ड मोर देन 3. मतलब इवन फर्स्ट हाफ में 2 से ज्यादा ही होने चाहिए थे. उसमें से भी एक पेनल्टी है. फाइन, डिफाई इज डूइंग व्हाट ही डज. आई थिंक बहुत अच्छा. डिफाई इज रियली गुड.
Right now.
एंड नाउ फाती विल कीप ऑन कमिंग. तो आई थिंक वो जो हमारा गोल्स का ड्रॉट है वो कम हो जाएगा थोड़ा. But again, what that point is like Levante didn't do anything. मतलब first half was they didn't do anything
They
exactly.
didn't do anything. Yeah.
Lines के पास से बॉल जाना बहुत easy था. People can cross over. They were not pressing at all. बॉल आगे तक ले जाना बहुत easy था. The movement was very easy for everyone. There was no pressing. Even with the ball, even with the people, they were not onto players. So it was very easy for Barca to take the ball and pass it to someone who is already available. So again, something from Levante side as well they have to do. But overall, I think it's good. But again, I'm happy.
A lot of positives, basically.
A lot of
Positives.
but
Yes. Even your young guys like Gavi, I think Nico Gonzalez, very good.
yes.
The talent is there to be seen. I mean, they are very skillful, technically talented players. So if you can develop them, you can really build something here.
Yes,
It's not
definitely.
all dark clouds and darkness
नहीं
for
ऐसा नहीं है.
Barcelona right now.
टीम है
There is a
मतलब.
light at the end of the tunnel. Yes.
मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि यार वी वांट मतलब हमको इस साल चैंपियंस लीग भी चाहिए, सब कुछ चाहिए, वी वांट टू विन एवरीथिंग. नहीं, एटलीस्ट शो अस दैट यार हम वी आर मोर देन अ क्लब ऑलवेज. तो एटलीस्ट हम ला लिगा के लिए तो कॉम्पीट करें. दैट इज नॉट अ गुड थिंग टू से फॉर अ क्लब लाइक बार्सिलोना, बट ला लिगा के लिए तो कॉम्पीट करें. राइट नाउ वी आर नॉट इन अ पोजीशन. आज के मैच के बाद वी हैव कम अराउंड वी आर इन 6th पोजीशन. नॉट वेरी गुड, बट एटलीस्ट इट्स अ स्टार्ट.
It's a start.
It's a start.
बट ऑल्दो मतलब एक क्वेश्चन यहाँ से राइज भी होता है कि क्या कुमन को क्रेडिट देना चाहिए इस गेम के लिए. मतलब इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट एज अ फैन, एंड आई वांटेड टू गेट योर ओपिनियन ऑन दिस पॉइंट पर्टिकुलरली.
नहीं मतलब एज अ फैन यू शुड नॉट बी हैप्पी कि अरे 3 गोल हो गए हैं आप बस नाउ लाइट लेट्स अब यहाँ से ऊपर. नहीं. यहाँ पे लेवांटे वाज नॉट गुड. दैट्स व्हाई यू स्कोर्ड. उसमें से भी एक पेनल्टी है. ओनली 2 गोल्स फ्रॉम ओपन प्ले.
बट यू क्रिएटेड अ hell lot of chances.
नहीं चांस बनाए वो करा. अगेन this is good. मैं ये नहीं बोला कि खराब है यार, I'm not criticizing, सब अच्छा है, but again you cannot credit कि okay कुमन ने change कर दिया. It's already there. Let's see और अच्छी टीम्स के साथ कैसे खेलेंगे आगे. अब हमारे पास एथलेटिको और रियल मैड्रिड आने वाले हैं, and then we so we're Champions League, so there are so many things. So now there is a good chance you have a team, you have players. Let's build on that. You've got Fatih now. Let's start building that team again. You have time, you have players. Just do it.
So, but like, is Koeman the right man still?
No.
But would you give him a chance?
No. For me personally, no, not at all. He has done
not
what
even
he has
after
done.
today's performance.
No, it's not just कि ऐसा mesmerizing performance नहीं है बार्सिलोना का. You will see कि wow क्या game खेला है, मतलब this is the old Barcelona, you know. This is Levante was not good.
Yeah, but things take time. You cannot expect एकदम से old Barcelona performance.
नहीं तो time वाली बात नहीं है ना. Let's see our time है, मतलब if you want to give time, ऐसे अभी कोई sack भी नहीं कर रहा है उसको. There is clouds, but it won't be sacked just right after this game, probably 1 month. Or
would you sack him though? That my question to you is, would you sack him right
yes,
now?
If I would
you give him, or if you want to get into that whole, you know, media ka sympathy and all that thing, would you give him Atletico, Madrid, जो कि 3 मैच भी बहुत बड़े हैं, एक चैंपियंस लीग का मैच आ रहा है, फिर Atletico and then Real Madrid.
Let's
so would you give him at least these 3 matches to prove that he can do something?
Yes, क्योंकि probably अभी sack करना और फिर going to all these matches is not right. Let's give him some time. Let's see what happens, and then नहीं हो रहा तो वो sack करना ही पड़ेगा. There is no solution. Otherwise पिछले साल जैसा ही होगा. एक कोपा डेल रे जीत गए, कोपा डेल रे पे इतनी खुशी मनाई कि जैसे चैंपियंस लीग जीत गए. Not right. Not right
for the club of the magnitude of Barcelona.
Yes, not right.
Yes. So you would give him this 3 matches.
Yeah.
I think that's a harmonious solution. In मतलब कि अगर उस चीज को हम देखें, क्योंकि right now वो जो बात तुमने बोली कि उसको right now अभी sack करना और फिर 3 बड़े मैचेस किसी नए मैनेजर को लाना, it is not also fair. Yes, I mean it can go very wrong. So let's give him these 3 matches. If he can do something, maybe give him some more time. But if he fails in 3 matches, then definitely you should look for something else.
Definitely नहीं वो चाहिए, वो already चालू हो गया है, and we need someone. कितने टाइम तक नहीं कर सकते ये. You cannot मतलब आप competition के लिए ready नहीं हो. This is not right. मेसी चला गया है, मेसी के टाइम पे भी नहीं थे, मेसी के बाद और हालत खराब हो गई है. तो you need someone की जो टीम को लीड करे या टीम को बिल्ड अप करे वहां से. And Ronald Koeman is not the person for the job.
Okay. So opinion still out. Jury is still out on Ronald Koeman. Well, that was the review for Barcelona. And next up, we will be reviewing the North London derby.
I can see someone is already in the heavens right now.
Let's not jinx it. Let's just end right here.